I asked artificial intelligence to build a complete Shopify store from scratch, and guess what? It actually worked. Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'm taking you on a journey through one of the most exciting experiments I've ever done. From selecting a niche to launching a fully functional online store, every step was powered by AI tools. Whether you're just starting in e-commerce or simply curious about how far AI can take us in 2025, this video is going to blow your mind. Choosing the niche. The first step, picking the right niche. I asked AI to analyze trending markets using tools like ChatGPT and market insight platforms. It crunched data and recommended 3 high-potential, low-competition niches: eco-friendly kitchen gadgets, smart home accessories, beginner-friendly fitness gear. I chose eco-friendly kitchen gadgets. Why? Sustainability is trending big time, and people love products that are both practical and good for the planet. Generating the brand name and logo next, I needed a brand. I used AI-powered branding tools to come up with a list of catchy, memorable names that matched the eco-theme. Once I had the name, I moved on to the logo. With an AI logo generator, I had multiple polished concepts within minutes. Clean, modern, and no need to hire a designer or spend hours in Photoshop. Building the product catalog time to fill the shelves. I tasked AI with sourcing popular eco-friendly kitchen products. It scanned supplier databases and picked items with solid margins and high customer interest. Then, using an AI copywriter, I generated SEO-optimized product descriptions that were both persuasive and informative, highlighting benefits, features, and even use cases.
If you're enjoying this breakdown, hit that like button. It helps more creators see how they can start with AI too.
Designing the Shopify store now for the store design. I used an AI web builder specifically trained on Shopify templates. It created a sleek, mobile-optimized storefront, sorted products into neat categories, added banner copy, and even wrote welcome messages. No coding, no hiring a developer, just drag, drop, and done. The result? A professional-looking store in under an hour. With everything built and ready to go, it was finally time to launch the store. This was the moment of truth. Would all those AI-generated elements actually come together and function like a real e-commerce site? Before going live, I ran multiple test transactions to simulate the full customer journey. I wanted to make sure everything worked flawlessly, from browsing products and reading descriptions to adding items to the cart, checking out, and receiving confirmation emails. The result? Honestly impressive. The site loaded quickly, the navigation was intuitive, and the entire process felt smooth and polished. The payment gateways worked without a hitch. Shipping options were correctly calculated. Even the thank you emails and order confirmations were professional and on-brand, created by AI no less. It felt like I was working with a full design, development, and marketing team. But the wild part? It was just me, and a suite of AI tools running in the background. Launching the store wasn't just a technical milestone, it was a personal one. For the first time, I saw what's possible when everyday creators have access to powerful, automated tools. The barrier to entry had officially been shattered. Results and takeaways: I didn't expect immediate results. But within just a few days of launching, something amazing happened. Traffic started rolling in. Slowly at first, then steadily increasing. That AI-generated marketing plan? It worked. Social media ads were getting clicks. A few curious shoppers browsed the store, and then my first sale. A real customer placing a real order. on a store that didn't even exist a week before. Seeing that first notification was surreal. It felt like proof that this wasn't just a novelty experiment. It was a real, functioning business. Over the next few days, more orders came in. Some were small, others larger. But what stood out was how seamless the whole process remained. Products shipped out on time, emails went out automatically, and everything ran without constant oversight. This experience proved that building an online business doesn't have to be overwhelming, expensive, or reserved for experts. With the right tools and a little curiosity, anyone can create a store from the ground up and actually make it work. Final thoughts. Now, I'll be honest. AI can do a lot, but it's not a magic wand. There were moments where I had to step in, make decisions, tweak settings, and add a human touch. AI is amazing at generating content, making suggestions, and automating workflows. But it still needs direction. Areas like customer service, branding nuance, and long-term strategy still benefit from human insight. Emotional intelligence, creative risk-taking, and deep customer understanding aren't things you can fully outsource to a machine, at least not yet. But what this experience showed me is that AI is no longer just a helpful tool. It's a partner, a powerful collaborator that can take care of 70 to 80% of the workload and let creators, solopreneurs, and side hustlers focus on what matters most. Whether you're building a side project, launching your first online store, or scaling an existing business, AI is officially part of the future toolkit. Call to action. If this experiment inspired you and you want to try building your own AI-powered Shopify store, drop a comment below. I'd be happy to share a full step-by-step breakdown of every tool I used. Also, let me know if you want to see this same process applied to other types of businesses, like digital products or service-based sites. If you enjoyed this video, please